Good morning, students. In last video we have discussed about linear equations in two variables. Now we are going to start our new lesson, that is quadratic equation. But before starting quadratic equation, you should have information about polynomials, which we have seen in last year. So polynomial means what, or what are the types of polynomial? So all of you know that if highest degree of polynomial is 1, then that is linear polynomial. Then if highest degree means what, highest power of variable is 2, then that is quadratic polynomial. And if highest degree of variable is 3, then that is cubic polynomial. So in this lesson we are going to start quadratic equation. Now quadratic equation means what? When we equate quadratic polynomial with 0, that is quadratic equation. Now in this lesson what we have to focus, or which things we have to study? So firstly we have to understand quadratic equation means what, or what is the definition of quadratic equation, or how can we identify given equation is quadratic equation or not. After that we have to understand methods of solving quadratic equations, means how can we solve given quadratic equation and which methods we have to use for solving those quadratic equations. Then we have to understand nature of roots of quadratic equation, then relation between roots and coefficients, and after that we have to understand applications of quadratic equation, means we should able to solve word problems based on quadratic equation. Okay, so before starting this lesson, keep one thing in your mind: this is very important lesson as for your board examination. Okay, maximum questions can be asked on this lesson. Many times for the near about 12 marks questions asked on this topic. So let's start. Firstly, try to understand quadratic equation means what. You have studied polynomials last year. You know the types of polynomials according to their degrees. Okay, we already discussed about this thing. If degree is 1, that is linear polynomial. If degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial. And if degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial. So in this lesson we have to understand quadratic polynomials means quadratic equations. Okay, now observe given examples carefully and try to understand. 5x plus 9. Now what is the degree of this equation? Degree means what? What is the highest power of variable in this equation? So 5x plus 9, there is only one variable, that is x, and highest power of that variable is 1. That's why this is linear polynomial. Then second equation, x square plus 3x minus 5. When we observe this equation carefully, so what is the highest degree of this equation? 2. Why? Because power of x is, highest power of variable is 2. That's why this is quadratic polynomial. 3x minus 7, So which equation is this? Which polynomial is this? This is linear polynomial. Why? Because highest degree of variable is 1 here. Now when we concentrate on this example, 3x square minus 5x, so highest degree of given polynomial is 2. That's why this is quadratic polynomial. And when we observe the last example, 5x square, so here also the degree of equation is 2. That's why this is quadratic polynomial. Next, now when we equate the quadratic polynomial to 0 and study the equation, we get such type of equation is known as quadratic equation. Listen once again carefully. When we equate quadratic polynomial to 0 and study the equation, we get such type of equation is known as quadratic equation. Means the equations or the quadratic polynomial, when we equate with 0, that equation is known as quadratic equation. Observe given example carefully and try to understand what is the use of quadratic. Sanket purchased a rectangular plot having area 200 meter square. Okay, once again listen carefully. Sanket purchased a plot having area 200 meter square. What is the area? 200 meter square. Length of the plot was 10 meter more than its breadth. What is length of the plot was 10 meter more than its breadth. Find the length and the breadth of the plot. Now all of you know that rectangular plot is given and we have to find out area of that rectangular part. So how can we find out area? What is the formula for finding the area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. But one condition is given in this example. What is the condition? The length is 10 meter more than its breadth. That means when we consider breadth is equals to x meter, then we have to take length is equals to x plus 10 meter. Why? Because length is 10 meter more than its breadth. Okay, now same formula we have to use for finding the area of rectangle. That is area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Now area of rectangle is already given, that is 200 meters square. So we can write 200 is equals to length into breadth. So what is the length? X plus 10 into breadth is equals to x. So when we perform multiplication of these two brackets, so what will happen? X into x, x square, plus x into 10, 10x. When we transfer this 200 towards the right hand side, so we will get x square plus 10x minus 200. So is this quadratic equation? Yes. Why? Because highest degree of this equation is 2. That's why this is quadratic equation. Now all of you know that how to solve this quadratic equation by using a factorization method. In previous year we have seen that how to solve quadratic polynomials by using a factorization method. Okay, so in next video we will introduce what is quadratic equation, what is the standard form of quadratic equation, or how can we identify given equation is a quadratic equation or not.